Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to convert between units of volume. As we saw with the units of length and units of area, we can convert between these different forms of measuring volume. In this chart, you'll notice that between our metric units, we are now cubing, or we're doing each conversion 3 times. And that's one for each of the 3 directions that we measure things in volume, being length, width, and now our height. So we're performing 3 conversions in one step. Let's put that into practice. In our first example, we want to convert from centimeters cubed into millimeters cubed. Looking at my diagram, centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed, we want to multiply by 10 3 times. So this is going to be 3.2 times 10 times 10 times 10. Of course, the other ways you could do this, the other versions of it, are 3.2 times 10 cubed, which is just a shorter way of writing the same thing. Or we can use the expanded version, 3.2 times 1,000, because that's what 10 times 10 times 10 actually is. So these are 3 different ways of doing exactly the same thing. And they'll all yield exactly the same answer, which is 3,200 millimeters cubed. And you can choose any of these methods. I might just bracket these out because they're just the same way of doing the same thing. All right. In this next example, we want to convert between centimeters cubed and liters. And liters is just another way of measuring volume, specifically when it comes to liquids. And if we look over to our diagram, centimeters cubed into liters, we want to divide by 1,000. Oops. So the answer here will be 500 divided by 1,000, which is 0.5 liters. All right, next up, we want to convert 63 million centimeters cubed into meters cubed. Going over to our conversion chart, centimeters cubed into meters cubed, we're going this track, so dividing by 100 3 times. And I'm just going to use my shortcuts here. 63 million, and I'm running out of space here, so I might just go divide by, and dividing by 100 3 times is going to give me 1,000,000. So I'm dividing by 1,000,000 here. 63 million divided by 1,000,000 is 63 cubic meters. And lastly, meters cubed into liters. Meters cubed into liters, we want to multiply by 1,000, and that's just once. So that's going to be 9 times 1,000, which is 9,000 liters. There you have it. That's how we can convert between different units of volume, including the liter.